Hola, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me and welcome back to a brand new video. I'm Kirsty Lo and in today's video I'm going to do a comparison review with the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray and the One Size Until Dawn Mattifying Setting Spray. Now both of these are very popular makeup setting sprays and they both claim to have up to 16 hours of wear, but which one is better? Is it going to be the Urban Decay or the One Size Setting Spray? So I'm going to do a 10-hour wear test today. So hopefully by the end of this video, you'd know which setting spray would be the right one for you. So if you want to know how this comparison goes, then please keep watching. Okay, so let's start it off with this One Size Until Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. There's 143ml in this bottle and it retails for £30. So I only recently bought this setting spray when Sephora was finally here in the UK, and this was one of the first products that I got from Sephora. So it was only recently that I got this setting spray. So let's talk about the packaging of this spray first. So it does come in like a pink aerosol can, which is quite unique, because usually with a setting spray it comes in like a typical plastic bottle with a spray nozzle, but this reminds me a lot of a hairspray can. And on the back of the can, it does say this waterproof, sweat-proof, transfer-proof, 16-hour mattifying setting spray sets your makeup with next level hold. Wow, that sounds very powerful. It's light as air. This non-sticky, continuous spray offers lasting oil and shine control. I love the sound of that. For the dreamiest stage-ready glam. Love that. Stage-ready glam. On the One Size website, I did notice a few more additional points about this spray that's not mentioned on the actual can itself. It says it's got texture solving ingredients, so it absorbs oil and it helps to tighten your pores. And it results in a blurred, flawless matte finish. And it's got fragrance notes of green tea, cucumber, citrus, and melon. Sounds very fruity. So reading all the description for this spray, it does sound like it's more suited for like combination or oily skin types. We'll find out today. Alrighty then, on to the next spray, and I've got the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. There's 118ml in this bottle and it retails for £28. Now I used to work at Urban Decay as a makeup specialist, and when I was working there, this was one of the best sellers that we used to sell every day, and there were days that we used to sell out of this. We'd be sold out of this product. That's how good it is. So it does come in a purple plastic bottle with a frosted white cap, and on the back of the bottle it says it's got a 16-hour wear with temperature control technology, and it mists on weightlessly, keeping skin cool and makeup fresh. There's no sliding, no fading, no settling into fine lines, and with the temperature control technology, that just helps to lower the temperature of your makeup, so it keeps your skin looking cool and feel cool, so that you don't get like looking like a hot oily mess. It just keeps it really cool. That's why this is really good if you go on holiday or if you live in a really hot country. This will keep your skin and makeup cool and feeling very fresh. That's what it claims anyway. So yeah, those are the main key points for both of these sprays. They both claim to have up to 16 hours of wear, and with the One Size spray it says it's got oil and shine control, and the All Nighter spray it's got a temperature control technology. It's going to be a really close call here, and I reckon it's going to be the closest battle that I've actually ever done on my channel, because I know both of these sprays are very, very good sprays, especially for oily skin. So bring on the battle and let's put both of these sprays into action. Right then, so let's use this one first. Let's go. So on the back it says for instructions, shake well before each use. Shake, shake, shake. And then keep eyes closed during application. Hold 10 to 12 inches away from your face and spray in a circular motion. Wow, that is very light on my that is so light on my skin. It's so light that I was like, I need to open my eye a little bit just to see if it's actually spraying onto my skin. Now I know what it means when it does say it's light as air. It doesn't even feel like it's being sprayed onto my skin. It is so lightweight. Look at the finish it's given my skin. It's definitely smoothed out my skin and given me that really blurred sort of matte finish. So yeah, I'm just very impressed with this spray, and that's the reason why I have been using this a lot ever since buying it a few weeks ago. So yeah, that was the One Size Until Dawn Mattifying Setting Spray. So let's give the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray a go now. Let's go. on the back of the bottle it says, for directions, after applying makeup, shake bottle well, hold 8 to 10 inches away from your face, close your eyes and mouth, and mist face 2 to 4 times in an X and a T formation. But obviously we're just going to be spraying like this side of the face. So as with all sprays, I always like to give it a good shake, just to like distribute the product evenly. Okay, that's definitely enough. Right, so straight away, this spray, I can feel it on my skin. It feels very cooling, very refreshing. And I'm just gonna use this fan just to dry it into my skin a bit more. I can feel it locking down my makeup. I could definitely feel like it's working and doing something to my skin anyway. Wow, so straight away, I can see this spray has made my skin look a lot better. It's like it's just smoothed my skin. My skin looks smoother, but it's a bit more of a natural finish. It's not as matte as the One Size setting spray, so there is a bit of a difference to the finish here. Right, so I'm gonna check in with you guys in about 6 hours time, and it's gonna be natural daylight. Get ready for that. Right, so I'm back, and it's been about 6 hours now since I applied both of these foundations, and yeah, this is my bedroom. So I did say I was gonna check in with you guys in natural daylight, so yeah, here I am in front of the bedroom window. But yeah, I've just topped up my lip gloss as well, and for you guys that always ask me what lip colour or lip gloss I'm wearing, it's actually this one. I love using this one. It's from MAC. It's a matte lip gloss in the shade All Things Magical. Love this one. Okay, so I've just realised that I've left the setting sprays in my filming room, so I'm just going to quickly go and grab it. Okay, I'm back with both of the sprays. Right, so let me just get comfy. So yeah, like I said, it has been about 6 hours now since I applied both of these setting sprays. Right, so let's look at this side first, and it's the One Size setting spray. Wow, look how flawless my skin looks. Even in natural daylight, look how flawless this is looking. Still looks so smooth, and that flawless blurred matte finish. And even on the corners of my nose, it's looking really good. There's no caking, and it's controlled my oils very well. My skin doesn't even look or feel oily. It's very matte still, and even after 6 hours, it's still looking very matte. And then on my forehead, there's absolutely no shine going on there. And even my pores are still looking very smooth and a lot smaller than what they actually usually are. Okay, so let's look at the other side, and it's the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray on this side. My makeup hasn't moved or budged. It still looks freshly applied. Look how good my makeup's looking. On my cheek, there is a little bit of shine coming through, but it just sort of gives me like a healthy looking glow. And then on my nose, there's a little bit of shine. And on my chin, still looking good. It's just got a little bit of a healthy glow to it, like some shine peeping through. But which side do you think is looking better? One Size or Urban Decay? Let me know down in the comments below. Yeah, you know it's that time of night when I've got my trusty old gown on. It's the most comfiest gown ever, and I love wearing it when I'm at home. So comfy. But anywho's, it's around about midnight now, so I've had both of these sprays on for a good 10 hours, and I'm ready to go to bed after I've done this check-in and just update you guys about this wear test and which one is going to be the winner. So after doing today's 10-hour wear test with both of these sprays, the winner is, drum roll, the winner is this One Size Until Dawn Makeup Setting Spray. This one is quite literally just pipped it to the post and has won this battle. It's just made my skin super matte all day, controlled my oils, and it made my makeup budge proof. My makeup just didn't come off, it stayed put, and it's probably one of the best makeup setting sprays that I've ever used. Ever. And with the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray, it did really well today. I mean, it's always been one of my favourite setting sprays for oily skin. However, comparing it with the One Size Beauty, this one was just a lot more powerful. It's just a very powerful makeup setting spray. And if you've got oily skin, I definitely recommend this spray. I love it. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know which setting spray did you prefer. Did you like the One Size Until Dawn setting spray or the Urban Decay All Nighter makeup setting spray? And let me know down in the comments below. And if there's any other setting sprays or any other makeup or skincare that you want me to review or compare, then let me know down in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every week. And I hope you all have an amazing day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.